The most critical words you say are the ones you say to yourself. Let's perform surgery on your mind. You have dreams that excite you and produce anxiety because they are so exciting that they light up every cell of your being. You also have fears that make you feel like you're trapped because you can't find a way out of them. The only thing that will determine whether you will act on your dreams or your fears are the words you say to yourself every day. Today, I am going to show you the most powerful tool that can help you achieve your dreams and banish your fears. They are affirmations. An affirmation is anything you say or think repeatedly. The problem is that most of the things you say to yourself are negative and you are not even aware of them. The goal of using affirmations is to empower yourself with beliefs and statements that will help you get what you want in life. Because remember that the most powerful truth in the world is that you are what you think about. So, how do you actually create and use affirmations? No idea? Don't worry, I'm here to help you implement the power of affirmations in your life. The first step to use affirmations for success is to actually define what success looks like to you. Affirmations have to be tailored to your particular goals. Imagine you want to be more courageous because you want to be bold enough to go for that dream business that you have wanted to start for the last couple of years. That's why it's important to define where you want to be in the future. Otherwise, most of the things you are doing right now could be a pure waste of your time. In my case, not being focused enough made me waste 2 years of my life between jobs I didn't care about and self-employment that was not leading me anywhere. This made me feel empty on the inside and feeling like my life was evaporating in front of me. As shameful as these years of drifting were, they taught me that I need to have a direction for my life. It was not until I defined exactly what I wanted to do in my life that my energies and actions were meaningfully rewarded. So, I ask you, where do you want to be in a couple of years? What do you want your life to be like? You have the power to create the life you want, but first you have to get clear on what you want, and I bet you want your future to be influenced by Improvement University. If you feel inclined, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Coming up next, now that you know what success looks like to you, you have to construct your affirmations. I like to divide the affirmations I use in 2 categories: goal affirmations and action affirmations. Goal affirmations are the ones that are concerned with the results you want in your life. For example, I have the body of my dreams now that I weigh 75 kilograms with 10% body fat. These affirmations are great, but I've found that they are not enough. You are the result of your daily actions. That's a fact. Therefore, it makes sense to focus more on the small things that you do every day that will lead you to the results you want. Action affirmations are focused on empowering you to be able to do the things needed to achieve your goals. Let's use the same example of wanting to get fit. Just because you repeat to yourself every day that you want to get fit, it doesn't mean that you will actually do the things needed. You must go through the process of eating healthy, exercising, taking care of yourself, and reducing your stress. In this sense, an action affirmation can be, today, I will eat only the most nourishing and healthy foods in order to give my body the best care that I can. Action affirmations give you the power and direction you need to take the daily actions that will inevitably lead you to your goal. So, how do you actually make these affirmations? Here's my formula. You must start with the word I and any of the following verbs: can, will, or do. Next, you have to write a particular goal or action. Now, make sure to include very emotional words that excite your imagination. Use words like powerful, fantastic, exciting, astonishing, and be very descriptive in your affirmation. For example, I'm willing to exercise 5 times per week to get that fantastic body that I deserve. I want you to have a taste of what affirmations feel like by giving you for free one of my personal sets of affirmations that I use every morning to program my mind for success. Just click the link in the description box below. As far as how many affirmations to create, I would advise, as with anything new you're starting in your life, to start small. Aim for 10 affirmations and commit them to memory. Now that you have created your set of affirmations, it's time to put them into action. You can read them out loud or you can record them, listen to your own voice and then repeat them. I like to listen to my affirmations during my morning routine. I've found that recorded affirmations have a better effect on my memory. Make sure to combine your affirmations with emotion. Get excited, feel them as if they are already true. Mastering your affirmations is like mastering a new habit. If you want to acquire a new habit, you must repeat it as often as possible. So, make sure to repeat your affirmations as often as possible. If you're working, say an affirmation. If you're showering, say an affirmation. If you're in the bathroom you get the idea. The thing with affirmations is that they will work faster if you repeat them frequently. And the most important factor for affirmations to work is to combine them with coherent action. The results you are getting in your life are simply the consequence of your actions. So, if you want better results, you must take better actions. Nobody in the history of the world ever changed their life by repeating words, but the repetition of the words make the actions 99% easier to do than before. As in our example of getting fit, make sure to repeat your affirmations throughout the day, while at the same time taking care of your diet, doing some exercise and going early to bed. Affirmations are tremendously powerful because you only act on the things that you believe to be true about yourself. Now, I want to know from you, where in your life do you think affirmations could help you? Please leave your answers in the comment section below.